This is not just a truck. This is not just an RV. This is an ultra-luxury American semi-truck motorhome, inspired by the legendary Kenworth long-nose design. The kind of vehicle that makes people stop talking, stop walking, and just stare. From the very first second, this motorhome feels like power mixed with luxury. The front is long, bold, and confident. That deep golden yellow paint looks like liquid metal. It is so shiny that you can see the lights, the floor, and even yourself reflected on it. There are no scratches, no dust, no dirt. It looks perfect, like it just came from the future. The tall black grille stands straight and strong, surrounded by chrome that shines like jewelry. The hood is long and smooth, built to cut through the air. The LED headlights are modern and sharp, sitting perfectly inside the curved fenders, looking both aggressive and elegant at the same time. The windshield is wide and dark, giving the front a powerful face. Chrome side mirrors and tall chrome exhaust stacks rise up on the sides, reminding you that this machine has serious muscle. This is the kind of truck that feels alive even when it is standing still. It looks ready to move mountains. As you walk along the side, you start to understand how special this motorhome really is. The truck and the RV body are joined together so smoothly that it feels like one single machine, not two parts put together. The side panels are clean, straight, and premium. The tinted windows are placed perfectly along the body, giving privacy inside, while keeping the outside look sleek and strong. The triple rear axles tell you right away that this vehicle is built to carry serious weight and handle long journeys without stress. The chrome wheels shine under the showroom lights, and the tires look thick, strong, and ready for any road. Now imagine this motorhome driving on the highway. Even though it is huge, it moves smoothly and calmly. Thanks to its powerful American diesel engine, this motorhome is built for long distances. It is not about racing. It is about strength, stability, and comfort. The engine is estimated to produce massive torque, which means it can pull heavy weight easily without struggling. On the highway, this motorhome can comfortably cruise at around 70 to 75 miles per hour. It feels steady, planted, and confident, even at high speed. The suspension system is designed for comfort. You do not feel every bump or crack in the road. Instead, the ride feels smooth, almost like floating. This makes long trips relaxing instead of tiring. The braking system is strong and reliable, built to safely stop such a heavy vehicle without stress. Safety is clearly a top priority here. Now let's step inside, because this is where the magic really begins. As soon as you enter the interior lounge, it feels like stepping into a luxury apartment. The space is open, warm, and welcoming. Soft LED lights glow from the ceiling and walls, creating a calm and relaxing mood. The leather sofas look plush and comfortable, perfect for long nights of relaxing after a long drive. The materials feel premium everywhere you touch. The wood panels add warmth, while brush metal details add a modern luxury feel. Large tinted windows let in natural light during the day while keeping privacy. The floor looks like polished marble, clean and elegant. This is not a normal RV interior. This feels like a high-end hotel lounge on wheels. Inside the same lounge area, there is a compact but smart kitchen. It is small, but everything is placed perfectly. There are modern cabinets, a clean countertop, and enough space to cook meals comfortably. You can imagine making breakfast here while parked near a lake, or cooking dinner after a long drive through the mountains. Everything feels practical, but still luxurious. Now let's move to the driver cabin. Sitting in the driver's seat feels powerful. The seat is large, soft, and supportive, made for long hours on the road. The dashboard is modern and clean, with digital screens showing speed, fuel, and navigation. The steering wheel feels solid in your hands. The wide windshield gives you a clear view of the road ahead, making driving feel safe and confident. Even though this vehicle is huge, the cabin makes you feel in control. Behind the driver area, the bathroom feels surprisingly luxurious. The walls and floor have a marble look that feels clean and expensive. There is a glass shower with chrome fixtures that shine under the soft lighting. The sink area is modern, with a clean vanity and a glowing mirror. This is not a bathroom you would expect inside a vehicle. It feels like something you would find in a luxury hotel room. And then comes the bedroom, the most relaxing part of the motorhome. The bed is large and comfortable, with premium fabric and a soft headboard. The lighting is warm and gentle, perfect for rest. The wood panels continue here, making the space feel cozy and calm. There is storage for clothes and personal items, hidden neatly so the room stays clean and uncluttered. After a long day of driving, this bedroom feels like a safe and peaceful place to rest. Now let's talk about features. This motorhome is packed with modern technology. Climate control keeps the temperature perfect no matter the weather outside. Sound insulation makes the interior quiet, even when the engine is running. Advanced lighting systems change brightness based on time. Fuel efficiency is not the main goal here, but for a vehicle of this size, it is built to be as efficient as possible. Large fuel tanks allow long trips without frequent stops. This motorhome is made for crossing states, countries, and even continents. So how much would something like this cost? A motorhome of this level, with this size, luxury, and performance, would likely cost between 1.5 to 2.5 million US, depending on customization. Yes, that is expensive, but this is not for everyone. This is for people who want the best, who want freedom, comfort, and power all in one machine. This motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a lifestyle. It is for people who want to wake up in a new place every day without giving up comfort. It is for people who love the road but also love luxury. It is for people who want something rare, bold, and unforgettable. When this golden giant stands in the showroom, it already feels special. But when it moves, when it drives, when it becomes a home on the road, that is when it truly comes alive. This is not just transportation. This is a dream on wheels. And once you see it, you never forget it.